This is the AI News Flash for May 26, 7 a.m. UTC. First up, SoftBank Group shares hit a record high today. According to investing.com, SoftBank Group stock surged sharply on the Tokyo market, closing at an all-time high. The main driver is continued strong performance from chip design giant ARM holdings in U.S. markets, with the AI server CPU market entry progress being reevaluated. Chairman and CEO Masayoshi Son's AI leverage strategy, including the $500 billion Stargate AI infrastructure plan, the largest ever $40 billion additional investment in OpenAI, and the joint Oracle initiative is winning strong institutional investor support. Under the hyperscaler, four firms' $725 billion combined 2026 capex boom. SoftBank's position as the flagship AI investment leverage proxy is solidifying, marking a symbolic moment that cements its role as the most important beneficiary stock in the 2026 AI investment theme. Next up, in an exclusive CNBC interview, South Korea's Deputy Prime Minister for Economic Affairs clearly articulated the national strategy to establish competitive advantage in physical AI. The Deputy Prime Minister emphasized the strategic direction to fuse AI technology with manufacturing strengths, formally establishing South Korea as the third pole in physical AI after the US and China. Specifically, the strategy centers on Samsung Electronics' HBM4 high-bandwidth memory production ramp-up, SK Hynix's AI memory supercycle leadership, Hyundai Mobis's AI robotics business, and LG Electronics' Cloyd home robot development supported by a comprehensive government policy package. With China dominating 90% of the global humanoid robot market in a fierce competitive landscape, including Tesla Optimus, Figure AI, Unitree G1, and Agibot G2, this represents a decisive signal that South Korea is entering at the national strategy level. Alongside Japan's Mitsubishi Electric and Chiba Institute of Technology Physical AI Joint R&D and Fujitsu's quantum-inspired computing technology, Asian players are establishing independent paths. South Korea's physical AI strategy formalization stands as a critical milestone that defines the most important emerging player position in the 2026 global physical AI market. Moving on. According to a Wall Street Journal exclusive, European AI frontier lab Mistral AI is significantly expanding its strategic partnership with leading legal AI startup Harvey to accelerate its push into the legal sector. Mistral's proprietary foundation models will be deeply integrated into Harvey's LegalWorks-specific AI platform, offering optimized solutions to major European law firms across contract review, legal research, due diligence, and regulatory document drafting. With Harvey's $11 billion valuation, $190 million ARR, and adoption track record at over 30% of Fortune 500 companies, this marks a decisive moment for the global race for specialized AI implementation in regulated industries. In a market with Anthropic's Claude for Legal, Thomson Reuters' proprietary co-counsel with 1 million users, Sweden's Legora at $5.5 billion valuation expanding into Asia, and Big Law Bench all competing for global legal AI dominance. This is a strategic move for European independent AI player Mistral to establish a firm position in the enterprise legal market. Amid Goldman Sachs' projected 44% automation risk in the legal industry and the European sovereign AI strategy formalization, the Mistral-Harvey partnership expansion is positioned as the most important turning point in the 2026 European legal AI market. And our final story. According to SiliconANGLE, external attack surface management leader Detectify has officially launched a Model Context Protocol, or MCP server, enabling AI agents to find and fix vulnerabilities in real time. Existing AI coding agents like Claude Code, Cursor, and Codex can now directly access Detectify's asset discovery and vulnerability scanning capabilities, detecting and auto-generating fix patches for production environment, security issues in seconds, representing a groundbreaking integration. With 48% of security professionals predicting agentic AI as the largest attack vector of 2026, this case symbolizes the paradigm shift in security operations for the agentic AI era.
This aligns with Anthropic's Mythos model autonomously discovering a 27-year-old OpenBSD vulnerability, Google GTIG's report confirming state-sponsored hackers weaponizing AI, and CrowdStrike, Palo Alto Networks, Zscaler, and SentinelOne competing in the AI cybersecurity market.
Alongside Cisco's LLM security standardization, Microsoft Rampart, Google Cloud's $32 billion Wiz acquisition, the G7 joint AI SBOM guidance, and the EU AI Act. This marks a critical milestone positioning MCP protocol-based AI agent-driven security operations standardization as the most important turning point in 2026 AI cybersecurity. That's all for this AI news flash.